Hello again. Well, this is the Yale Y112 121. It's a little disc detainer lock. It's 30 millimeters. You can see it's pretty small. And I've had to make a tip for a new sort of tensioning tool and a picking tip for this. This is actually for the Russian dual custody, but I am taking Chris Capoon's advice and actually going to put it aside for a bit and focus on other things, I think. So, yeah. All works. New camera angle. I'm not going to see how this works today. Needs a bit of a turnaround. Very difficult to hold this. Very, very difficult to hold. Right. Oh, there we go. And it's not easy to pick either, this. Right, where are we? First one is there. Doesn't need too much tension. Yeah, well, that's okay. Second one there. I think that I felt a little something. Third one. I'm laying off the tension. Come on. Don't know, that might be it. So the 0 cut. Let's put it into 0. Next one. Actually, this tool isn't quite finished yet. Needs come on. These are the markings doing on it. I can't really see them. Don't know whether you can see them. Probably you can see them probably better than I can. Come on, this won't go in. Yeah, that's that one. It's not. Okay, let's just go back down again. So it's not engaged properly. Okay, well that's in. And there it be. Cool, blimey. That took some doing. Well, there it is, the Yale Y11230. A little disc detainer lock for a mini lock Monday. Small, and it takes some picking. You can't feel anything in there. You don't feel the gates at all. Well, thank you very much for watching, guys, and see you around.